What if I told you this G is actually made from C and L? How does this hidden trick work? And how can you design it in minutes? Let's reveal the secret right now. Canva. To create a G-shaped logo using the letters C and L, follow these steps. Step 1. Start with a circle first. Go to the Elements menu and select a circle. Resize it to make it bigger. Now change the background color to black and set the circle color to white. Step 2, you will add an outline. Click on the circle, then go to border style and choose a solid line. Set the border thickness to 40. Next, change the inner part of the circle to black. For the outline color, use a gradient from purple to blue. This gives it a creative and futuristic feel. Step 3, shape the letter C. Now, we'll modify the circle to form the letter C. Take the square shape and place it on part of the circle outline so that the circle outline forms the letter C. Then change the color of the square to black. Grab a rectangle shape, then shrink its width to match the thickness of the outline. Position it like in the example, then duplicate it to create a second rectangle. Adjust both rectangles to form the letter L. Next, drag the black square from the top to the bottom and the right to the left so that the outline forms the letter G. Step 4. Add colors and meaning. Set the L shape to light blue, number 40, C4, FSF, to symbolize innovation and connectivity. The purple gradient represents creativity and inspiration, perfect for a tech or AI-related brand. Step 5. Add text. I named this logo GlobeLink. For a modern, futuristic look, use a font like Accidents Grotesque. Once everything looks good, group all the elements together and there you have it. Step 6. Mock it up in Photopea. If you want to see your logo in a professional mock-up, follow these simple steps. 1. Open Photopea in your browser. 2. Choose a mock-up template like this one. 3. Click here, point to the layer. 4. Double-click on this part to open the editable mock-up. 5. Hide the default logo by clicking the eye icon. 6. Go to File, Open in Place, and upload your logo with a transparent background. Need help removing the background? Check out the tutorial in this video of mine. 7. Resize the logo to fit the mockup. 8. Click Save, Smart Object. 9. Export the final result as a PNG. And boom, you're done. And that's it, pretty simple, right? Now you've got a sleek professional logo using Canva plus Photopea. Want to see more Canva logo design tutorials? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss out.